Hello everybody, welcome to PlanningPME Web Access. Today I will show you how to use the skills in the schedule, then how to assign the skills to the different resources in the schedule, and in the end how to filter the different skills for the resources. In order to do that, I will click on the menu Data, then I will click then on Skill. I will click on Add. At first, I will need to add a domain like that. For example, we will choose here languages. I will now save that. I will add as an example the English language. I will save that. If I want, I can add also another language, for example, German. I will choose the domain languages, of course, and I will now save that. Let's now go back on our schedule. I will now, for example, double click on the resource Frederick and assign a skill to him. In this case, I know Frederick speaks German, so I will now save the information. I will do the same thing for Dina. I know for a fact that Dina speaks German as well. I will also add a skill for David. I know for a fact that David speaks English as well as German. I will now save that information. And in the end, I will add also one skill to Daniel. I know for a fact that Daniel speaks English. I will now save the information. And I will show you now how to use the filter for the skills. I will click here on filter. I will press here on skill. If I want now, I have the possibility to show how many people speak English or German or both. So for example, if I click on English, I will validate that. I will see that David and Daniel speak English. If I click now on German and validate that, I will see here that Frederick, Dina, and David speaks German. And if I click on both and I validate, I will see that only David speaks both of those languages. So thank you for your attention and see you soon for new videos.